everyone, welcome back. This is Natalia from Dublin Marketing, and today we are talking about something that I wanted to share with you for a while. I've been reading this book. It's Dan Millman, Way of the Peaceful Warrior, and I really highly recommend all of you to read that book if you haven't yet. And I want to share with you some principles that I learned from this book. That is many golden principles that you can apply into your life. But there's some of them which I really think that if you're on your personal growth path or you're in any kind of business out there, you want to apply those principles into your lives, because we are always sometimes usually missing this mindset part, and it's the most important part, I believe, from wherever you do out there. And so today I just want to get deep into this and just share with you the principles that I really love and enjoy from this book. And the first one is the one that, here you go. You're a prisoner of your own illusions about yourself and about the world. To cut yourself free, you are going to need more courage and strength than any movie hero. So what does it mean? We all have our past, we all have our backgrounds, and we all have our own opinion, our inner world about ourselves and about what's going on out there. And we all went through some different things in our lives, and sometimes to believe in something, especially to believe in yourself, will take you a lot of work to actually get deep into it, to learn, to work it out, to learn everything by yourself, and to find this inner peace with you, which is really important. Because if there is no peace in your inner world, you cannot be a happy person. Your world is in this balance, so you really wanted to learn as much about yourself, and especially about your past and what holds you back. What kind of money blueprint did you have? What kind of mindset? Who do you think you are? We all have those past. And I watched this video today, which just really give me an idea how often our background can influence us. So there was a short video, and it's just a boy and somebody shooting this video, and somebody, I don't know if their parents or who it was, says to that kid, you're stupid. And he was like, no, I'm not. And then another person asked, so how much is gonna be 9 plus 10, I think? And he said 21, and he was like, you're stupid. So those things, those small little things that we say to our kids, that we tell them, can actually impact them so much and have this, the entire opinion about themselves. And it can be so deep that when you grow up, you may not even know where did they come from, and what's going on with you, why you're so insecure, why you're so why self-esteem so low. And so that's the point. If that is something in your background that's holding you back, you want to make sure that you work on that. Yes, there is a lot of things in our past that's happened to all of us, and we all have our own way, whatever that is, our way to get to the point where we are right now. But it's on us what's the future and present will be. So if you want to change your life, if you want to become something bigger, if you want to become somebody who not stupid because he's saying that 9 plus 10 is 21, just because it's maybe just different for him. Don't, this is the way you want to start to build up yourself from scratch. Because there is a lot of opinions about other people's about us. There is a lot of opinion, other people who we should, who we should be and who we should become and what we should do. But it's just totally on you, in your power and your charge, who you become and how your present and future will look like. There is no more control on your past, but there is control in your hands right now to make your present and future bright and full of things that you want. Fulfill your future with your dreams and believe in your dreams, believe in yourself, and you can do great things out there. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Contact with me on Facebook. Check link down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.